Jameis called me the other day, and they wanted to tell me a story. And that's not his real name, Jameson. And he started telling me about this social worker. So I had him sign a release and a fee agreement. And I called the social worker. And I talked to her at length. And I will tell you, I told the social worker, I wish I could reach across the phone and give her a big hug and a kiss. She was unbelievable. She didn't like the false allegations against Jameson any more than I did. And she said point blank, she says, I just despise lawyers that don't fight for their clients. I said, well, I don't know about that. All I know is what I do. And she said to me, I'm glad that you're fighting for this client, Kevin. And she said something to me off the record that just blew me away. And I appreciate this information. She says, Kevin, we're filed against the mother for neglect because we believe that this is false and bogus and baseless allegations too. And it rubbed her the wrong way as a female that a woman would go into probate court and use the restraining order hearings as a sword rather than a shield to protect herself. Trust me when I say this. The moral of today's story is the DCF workers, whether they're male or female, when they hear false allegations, and some of these people are really sharp, as was this female social worker the other day, and she come right out and told me this is bogus, baseless, false, Kevin, and I'm glad that you're fighting for this because she took real anger over Hafton investigating something that shouldn't be investigated. And she come right out and said, you know, this is taxpayers' money. This is a waste of my time. This mother's done this multiple times. So you turn a negative into a positive, these allegations, if you can. And if you get the right social worker, they'll help you. They don't want to see this DCF any more than you want to defend it. Trust me on this one. You'd be amazed at how often DCF social workers will see allegations and the one that's proffering them, trying to use it as a sword to hurt the other person, DCF can smell a rat a mile away. And DCF will have those allegations backfire against that person who alleged them. Because they don't like to see people be treated unfairly or unjustly, just as much as you don't want to be treated unfairly or unjustly. Trust me on this. This is the moral for today's story.